Hello friends, a warm welcome to YouTube channel. Hope you all are good and people calling me about their love problem and they are discussing me lots of things about their love problem solution, and I made a tremendous love spell, an energetic love spell that would help you out to get your ex back, your lover back, your husband back, your wife back. How far he or she is living from you, it doesn't matter for this love spell. This technique is using by people from the ancient time and they are getting their love back. The ingredients for this love spell is not too much. Two things you have to take with you: a lemon, a black marker. That's it. I'm going to tell you very powerful love spell that help the lots of people to get their love back. This love spell you can do. Just three things you have to know for this love spell: your partner's name, partner's age, and partner's current country or city where he or she is living at the moment. That's it. And with the help of this love spell, I'm giving you a surety that your lover would come back in your life, or the person, its dream boy or dream girl, that would also come in your life and make a good relation with you for whole the life, but your attention should be good. So I'm going to tell you how you can follow these steps and you can do. To do this love spell, first of all, here you have to write the name of your lover. For example, his name is John. You have to write John here. Hope you all can see this. And after that you have to write that person's age like this, and the city of that person or country of that person. Country of that person. For example, he is living in US. You have to write as it is, that I am writing. First of all, you have to write that person's name, his or her age, and then you have to write his or her city. After that you have to make the sign of plus, like this, 3 sign of plus, and after that you have to write your name here. Your age and your country or your city, like this. Here you have to write your name, your age, and your city. After that you have to keep this in right hand of your and you have to write it as it is. You have to close and you have to keep it like, and you have to close your eyes, and you should say these words: John, I want back in my life. Please come back. John, I want back you in my life. Please come back. You have to say these words for 21 times. After the 21 times, you would see, and you have to open your hand like this, and you have to round this lemon like this from your head for 7 times, and you have to keep this lemon under your pillow for 8 hours. Like if you are going to do this love spell at 12 a.m. and you have to keep this lemon under your pillow until 8 a.m. in the morning. After that, you would see after 8 hours that person is trying to contact you to come back in your life. If you are facing any kind of problem while doing this love spell, you can call us on our number that is showing the top of the screen. Thanks for watching our video. Please like my videos and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you. See you soon. Bye bye.